Hi, I'm Tahira. I'm a makeup artist and conscious beauty expert. Today, I'm gonna share with you my tips on the Sheer Looks Beauty School, all about how to create a maximum impact with minimal makeup. So I started with a glowing primer or radiance base. I have got just enough concealer on to hide any pigmentation, a little bit of dark circles, as well as some foundation to smooth out my skin tone. Now I'm gonna go in with a really thin layer of powder, but really only where I need it. But to avoid creasing, I make sure to look in all directions, stretching the skin, and then really work that powder in with a puff to really fix it into place. I absolutely love this stick by 1999 Beauty. I always do this little curve like this on the side of the face. This way, you're kind of framing your temple and you can go right underneath your cheekbone. Here's another trick. I go right into this little dip here where the ear is. So just make sure you blend that all out. You can also use your fingers or a sponge to blend it out. If it's for an evening occasion or I want a little bit more impact, I love how fine this little tiny pencil is. And I'm actually only gonna really define the top and the outer end of the tail of my eyebrows. This makes sure that I've got that natural lift, that natural arc, without bringing any heaviness to the bottom of the brow. This is the Brow Sensei, and honestly, it is such a gorgeous, precise gel that dries without getting any flakiness, without getting too hard. It's just really perfect. Always brush up and out, and then I always go once over the top to finish the little ends. So the next step is to define your eyelashes. Now, unless you have a natural lifted curl lash, it's all about the lash curler for me. So starting at the base, squeeze once and hold, go halfway up and out. To apply your mascara like a pro, here's what you do. Always take the excess off the tip, then get right in at the root of the lash and zigzag your way up and out. And you just keep doing this over and over again, making sure you get all the way to the inside corner and define the outside corner. See, with this area done, it already has just more finesse, more definition, and honestly, I could go out the door like this. Here is my secret tip that I've been using since I was 14 years old. Take a really precise pen or marker eyeliner. I absolutely love this one by Surat. It's refillable. What you're gonna do is hold the pen like this and drag it with very little pressure along the edge of the base of your lashes. What this is gonna do is it's gonna almost give that false lash effect. You look down at your mirror and then you just anchor your pinky and then just really gently, you can either dab or drag your pen just along the lashes. And can you see? It looks like I've got falsies on this side. There's a bit more definition, but it's super not obvious. If you have hooded eyes or you feel like your eyelid gets a bit greasy, you can use a tiny bit of whatever translucent powder you're using and just pat it onto your lids, preventing any creasing of the makeup. Another tip is using a glowing bronzer as a highlighter. So this helps you skip blush altogether, especially if you want just that very minimal kind of cool girl look. So I absolutely love this brand new bronzer by Ilia. It kind of acts as a highlight, a bronzer, a lift all in one, giving you beautiful, radiant, slightly bronzed skin. Finally, it's all about the lips. Now, if you know me, you know I love a bold red lip, but I get that that's not for everyone. So I'm gonna show you a technique today that you can start with if you're not super comfortable with a red lip. It actually just involves getting a red lip gloss. I would apply it with a brush for maximum precision. Apply it all over your lips, and with the brush, just go to the edges. I absolutely love a red lip, so I would probably just go over this. I love this color. It's Meleg by 1999 Beauty. It's a beautiful orangey red, and I'm gonna start by just following the contour of my lips. Then what I'm gonna do is just gently fill in. I love a maximum impact, so let's go in with a lipstick over top. I love this one because it's quite small, so it's super easy to apply straight from the bullet. And by mixing the two tones, I get a really balanced red, which then makes it foolproof for almost everybody. Thank you so much for watching. For more tips and tricks, follow me on @Tahira_makeup.